How to clear all app data uses cache on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your App Store. Here we go. You will be directed to this kind of page. Make sure you have already logged in with your Apple ID. If not, sign in with your Apple ID. Then click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. Different options will appear. Click on this option, Personalized Recommendations. Open it. With that, you'll see this option over here, Clear App Usage Data. Click on this option. Clearing will only remove app usage data used for personalization on this device. Click on Clear App Usage Data. And just with that, you have cleared all app data usage cache on iPhone. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.